China is the #1 manufacturer of electric vehicles in the world. It makes almost 20 million of them a year. What's behind that success? Let's take a look. That's right, it's all about the robots. Actually, it's all about the robots and AI. It's also all about the robots and AI and 5G. There's a whole ecosystem which is being put to work in China to underlie this massive success in the electric vehicle market. Let's look a little bit more closely. So, as you can see here, probably recognize this. This is a traditional production environment. So it works, and it is actually, it's a connected environment. It's just still operating in silos. Over here, this is the here and now of manufacturing. This is the absolute state of the art. You've got AI quality inspection. We're using video predictive analytics as well as video inspection software. We've got IoT. Everything's got a sensor. This guy's got a sensor, that's got a sensor. It's all sensor driven. It's a private 5G network. And this is really important. It's got an integrated IT and OT operating system which brings the whole thing together. That's very, very exciting. So this is a mock-up, isn't it? It's just a cartoon. It's not real, Steve. Actually, let's have a look at the real one. We've got our friend here with the high-vis vest, so you know it's real. And this is actually a real factory. This is a plant which makes ultra-high-end $150,000 type of EVs in China. And I'm actually going to be visiting this one this year to get a closer look at this technology. But if you want to understand why China's been so successful in the EV market, it all comes down to this. It's Industry 4.0 implementation in the here and now. It's very impressive.